Thanks for interesting to know about Clickfunnels business in a box. Clickfunnels business in a box, but first, what precisely is often a gross sales funnel? Revenue funnels really are a consecutive sequence of steps, and they're created to transform your possible prospective buyers into consumers. These profits funnels also are recognized together with the title of selling funnels. Visualize it like if it was a real funnel. In the highest, you might have persons, and you want to channel them into a funnel. In the web globe, this is exactly what occurs. People get there at your intenet site or Clickfunnel Nmi. Having said that, not each one of them are likely to wind up as buyers. Different things have to occur from the instant that someone enters to the funnel to the moment they get motion into a particular order. By breaking down your consumer's journey into smaller sized steps. Click the link below in this video for more updates. You could be plenty of much more successful pertaining to just providing a proposal to the target market. The basic steps inside a funnel could possibly look something like this. An unqualified lead concerns your landing site for the very first time. You present one thing free to provide some benefit and to collect his email. Soon after getting his email, you could present him an applicable supply. This direct gets your purchaser. Get started contact with him by means of email, providing him benefit. You begin creating a powerful relationship with him and selling him extra factors. Thanks for watching this video.